I will be presenting a keynote presentation on behalf of Professor Chunyang Li, titled "The Role of a Novel Cold Atmospheric Plasma Technology in Preventing Infectious Disease." Infectious diseases are a major global health concern, causing millions of deaths and illnesses each year. Preventing the spread of infectious diseases is essential to public health, and novel cold atmospheric plasma technology is emerging as a promising tool in this effort. This technology has the potential to be used in a wide range of settings, from hospitals to clinics to public spaces and transportation systems. In this presentation, we will explore the role of novel cold atmospheric plasma technology in preventing infectious diseases, including its mechanism of action, applications, and potential benefits. What is cold atmospheric plasma technology? Cold atmospheric plasma technology is a relatively new technology that has shown promise in a wide range of applications, including biomedical, industrial, food, and environmental applications. Cold atmospheric plasma is a type of plasma that is generated at room temperature and atmospheric pressure, making it safe for use in a variety of settings. Therefore, it is created at a relatively low temperature, around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Here are some images or some pictures of the cold atmospheric plasma. This technology has shown promise in killing bacteria, viruses, fungi, and has potential application in a variety of fields, including healthcare, food safety, and environmental remediation. The potential application of cold atmospheric plasma in preventing infectious diseases are diverse and promising that include disinfecting surfaces and materials. CAP can be used to disinfect surfaces and materials such as countertops, doorknobs, medical equipment, making it a valuable tool in preventing and the spread of infectious diseases in healthcare settings by killing microorganisms that are present on the surfaces. Here are some pictures that can show the cold atmospheric plasma in use in cleaning some doorknobs and disinfecting some surfaces and also treating the human skin. Also, it is used to treat infected wounds, as it promotes tissue regeneration, prevent infection in wounds, reduce inflammation, and even treat cancer. This picture is an example of a simple wound healing after treatment with cold atmospheric plasma. Picture A shows chronic ulceration before cold atmospheric plasma, while picture B shows that the healing is very quick after 14 days. And another is the general local treatment using CAP device. And also, this is another picture showing nail infection treatment using CAP. And also, another application of cold atmospheric plasma is in the field of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, which reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses, and also in water treatment to eliminate pathogens. Here are some results from our lab that we kill some pathogens like Staphylococcus aureus, Campylobacter jejuni, Salmonella enteritidis, and many other bacteria. We treated them with cold atmospheric plasma, and we have a promising and a very good result from the treatment. Now, what are the advantages of cold atmospheric plasma? The benefits of novel cold atmospheric plasma technology is in preventing infectious diseases are numerous, including it is a non-toxic and environmental friendly disinfection method. Unlike traditional chemical disinfectant, CAP does not leave behind harmful residues or contribute to the development of antibiotic resistance. However, CAP is a rapid and efficient disinfection method which can reduce the risk of hospital-acquired infections and transmission of infectious diseases in public spaces in seconds. CAP also has the potential to be used in resource-limited settings where access to traditional disinfection methods may be limited. Also, CAP is very useful because it does not heat up. It can be treated it can treat the surfaces without heating them up, making it safe for use in delicate materials. It is also effective against a wide range of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. There are some disadvantages of the CAP cold atmospheric plasma technology, which include It is needs specialized equipment, which make it a little bit difficult, a little bit expensive to acquire. It needs like large capital before it can be set up. It's not widely available. It's not widely available across the globe, and lack of standardized guidelines up till now. We don't have any standardized guidelines from any country that on how to use the cold atmospheric plasma on food materials and other fields. Also, it consumes a lot of energy because it uses electricity, high voltage. Therefore, the consumption of energy is very high and not yet fully understood because the mechanisms are not yet understood. Therefore, the technology is still like in progress. And the mechanism of action of cold atmospheric plasma. Cold atmospheric plasma is a unique form of plasma that is generated at atmospheric pressure and low temperature. It is a mixture of electrons, ions, reactive oxygen, and nitrogen species, free radicals, ozone, and UV photons, which can interact with biological system in various ways. The antimicrobial effect of CAP are due to its ability to cause oxidative stress, disrupt the cell membrane, inducing it damage in microorganisms. CAP can also stimulate the immune response of host cells and enhance wound healing. Here is a picture of generated cold atmospheric plasma, with showing the free radicals and reactive oxygen and nitrogen species being generated, and the CAP use gas to create the plasma. Here is a mechanism in a pictorial view. High voltage electric field is applied to let's say atmospheric gases or noble gases, and after the application of high voltage electric field, the gases are ionized and excited, and then free radicals, ozone, and UV light are formed or generated. This gives us the cold plasma. And when this is applied on, let's say, bacteria, fungi, virus, it acts on the cell wall by breaking the chemical bond, bombarding bombarding or eroding the cell wall using the free radicals, and enhancing the roughness of the surface. It also acts on the cell membrane by damaging or etching on the cell, damaging, and then by also causing diffusion, by also causing diffusion of the cell membrane. It also acts on the cytoplasm of the cell by deforming it, shrinking it, and leaking its content. But it also acts on the protein and enzyme of the bacterial or fungal cells by denaturing the protein, by oxidating the amino acid, and activating the enzyme. It also acts on the fungal cells or bacterial cells by damaging the RNA or DNA and reducing the cell replication. By doing that, it will incapacitate the cells. It also acts on the fatty acid and lipid of the bacterial or fungal cell by pre-oxidize an iron and hydrogen to that produce a membrane lipid pre-oxidation. And now we will talk about what we do in our laboratory. Our laboratory mainly work now on cold atmospheric plasma. We have this technology introduced to us from the United States of America in 2014, sorry. And from that time on, we modified, improved on the technology. Initially, we got this system from the United States of America. This is the first generation cold atmospheric plasma, and we started improving it. And now we have like second generation or third generation cold atmospheric plasma. This is a second generation cold atmospheric plasma equipment. In order to break through the core device of high voltage electric field generator introduced in the United States, high voltage safety shielding complex, and other problems, Nigerian technology company, in collaboration with our lab, developed the first set of differential frequency adjustable high voltage cold atmospheric plasma as the second generation CAP system. Here is a picture of the second generation CAP device we developed with the help of a Nigerian plasma technology company. The second generation has some features we introduced frequency to this model. The first model only worked on voltage and time, but now we have frequency as a test factor for high voltage electric field called atmospheric plasma, extending the range of it and of test functions. Also, we have like a PLC program control allow easy adjustment of test parameters such as operating frequency, voltage, processing time, making operation easy and efficient. And we have the safety shield, avoid high voltage creep, increase the voltage intensity up to 180 kilovolts. Because of this shield, we can increase the voltage to 180 kilovolts. Before we can only work on 60 kilovolts. Therefore, we designed, develop, and test various cold atmospheric plasma systems on numerous foods, pathogens. The cold atmospheric plasma machine we developed include dielectric biodiesel cold atmospheric plasma and plasma jet cold atmospheric plasma. This is an example of the plasma jet we developed in our lab with Suman Technology Company. The first picture is a nozzle, and the second picture is a set of the plasma jet, complete set with a high voltage generator and the atmospheric air generator and the nozzle. And this is the generated plasma from the plasma jet cap device. And recently, due to the COVID-19, we developed a disinfecting machine for the COVID-19 by combining the cold atmospheric plasma with ultraviolet at 222 nanometer. This is the device we have developed for the COVID-19 elimination. This is a pictorial view of the device, and we had a very good result from this device. These are the results we got from the testing of the device we developed on the COVID-19 sterilization. We test the device on various surfaces, glass sheet, polypropylene, corrugated paper, and craft paper, because we can contaminate, we can get COVID-19 from these surfaces. That's why we tested this surface, and we have a very, very good result. And we also published a paper based on the result we obtained. And right now we are trying to build industrial scale cold atmospheric plasma equipment for the elimination of COVID-19. This is a sample of the device. This is a plasma being generated in the device. And this is also the plasma being generated in the device. This device can be used to treat food materials, hospital equipment, and other things to eliminate the COVID-19 pandemic. This is a picture of the machine. We also developed air disinfection technology based on the COVID-19 developed technology. The first machine we developed is like a ventilation system. We sterilize, we put the cold plasma into the ventilation or air conditioning system for large settings like hospital, kitchens, factories, or schools. We built a system that can be inserted into the ventilation or air conditioning to sterilize the environment. We also built like home or office air conditioning system with an inbuilt cap system in it. We are also building like industrial scale cold atmospheric plasma for the disinfection of fruits and vegetables. This is like the BBD cold atmospheric plasma for fruits and vegetables. And this is the plasma jet cold atmospheric plasma for also fruit and vegetables. In conclusion, cold atmospheric plasma is a promising new technology with potential to be used to prevent infectious disease. It's effective against a wide range of microorganisms. It's fast-acting. It's environmentally friendly. However, CAP technology is still in its early stage of development and is not yet widely available. Therefore, more research is needed to fully understand the safety and effectiveness of the CAP technology, so it can be widely used to prevent infectious diseases. Thank you.